Tell an AI to forget physics and design the wildest car engines ever, and this is what it creates. These 5 giant power plants are completely AI-generated concepts. They do not exist in real life, but they push engineering to its limits. Engine 1, the Titan V32 Earth Shaker. 32 cylinders, stacked in a double V with for massive turbos the size of beach balls. In this imaginary universe, it makes over 5,000 horsepower and turns a wide-body muscle car into a rolling earthquake. The problem, no cooling system on Earth could keep this thing alive, and the fuel bill would explode every minute you drive it. Engine 2, the Helios X Fusion Turbine. At the center, a glowing fusion ring feeding for electric motors with almost limitless clean energy. The engine bay looks more like a high-end science lab than a car. Cables, glass shielding, and precision everywhere you look. Why it's impossible today? We can't shrink fusion reactors this small, or build materials strong enough to survive that kind of power. Engine 3, the Leviathan triple-axis hydrogen rotary. 3 huge rotary rotors, each on a different axis, drinking liquid hydrogen. It's built to power extreme off-road trucks, mountains of torque, almost zero emissions, and enough power to climb a vertical wall. But synchronizing 3 monster rotors at insane RPM without tearing the engine apart would be a nightmare even for top race engineers. Engine 4, the quantum twin flux magnetic drive. No pistons, no crankshaft, just 2 magnetic rings levitating inside a clear chamber. They spin up to impossible speeds to drive a silent hypercar. It looks like alien tech dropped straight into a carbon fiber chassis. Physics says the magnetic forces, heat, and vibration would destroy everything long before you ever reach its theoretical top speed. Engine 5, the Omega Infinity Hybrid Plasma Core, plasma in the middle, electric motors on each wheel, and turbine fans feeding it air. It's a jet-inspired supercar power plant, glowing purple from the plasma core, with exhaust nozzles that look ready for takeoff. This is pure SCI-Fi. Plasma control, cooling, and safety are way beyond what car technology can handle on any road today. So which engine would you choose if you could bend the laws of physics for a single day of driving? Drop your favorite engine's name in the comments and tell me what kind of AI-designed car we should build around it next. If you love seeing AI push car engineering into the impossible, tap subscribe, hit like, and watch the next video on your screen.